Well, you want to go for a test drive? Sweet. What we have here is a 1973 Scout 2 that came into us for a full Anything Scout LS drivability conversion. So I think we'll just kind of drive around a little bit, walk you through some of the things that we've done, some things we didn't do, and kind of what is classic about this truck and about the LS conversions from Anything Scout. So one of the biggest things is kind of respecting and honoring the way that the Scouts come to us. Because remember, this is not a full restoration, and there's like the customers love this. He loves this particular truck, so we wanted to preserve that, the things that he loves about the aesthetic and the feel, but just give it reliability. This customer's an avid rock climber, just adventurer, and so the Scout in its original format, even though it ran okay, was just kind of exceeding its limits. Like it just couldn't do what he wanted it to do, and it would sit for periods of time, and just found that he wasn't using it. So after some deliberation and discussion, it was time to send it in for a swap. And start out, he also did not want to change the ride height necessarily, so we did the least amount of lift. This has a Skyjacker 2-inch suspension lift, and it really rides great. But we went through full suspension, all new steering systems. We upgraded the brakes, did a disc brake conversion on the front. Full rewire, even though it looked like the dash and everything looks exactly how it came to us, but did a full rewire, modern harness, so that you want that reliability of a new wiring harness. As far as drivetrain, this is a 4.8 liter 6L80 6-speed transmission. It's all tidy, it looks fully stock. MP241, which is our our transfer case of choice. But again, it's just a thoughtful, integrated approach to the swap. And we'll look under the hood later and see that it's super clean. Interior super clean. We did put 3-point seat belts, but you want that safety in your rig. We reupholstered the seats, and there's not a whole lot of like blue Scouts out there, and I kind of dig that it's like blue. If you notice, like blue trucks are typically like all blue. And so like this thing's got the blue and white theme, and this truck was probably restored back in the, like, I'd say mid 1990s, and so it's got that kind of period vibe to it, and we love it. And so we put combo sliders on it, and we powder coated them white to match all that stuff, and the customer was super fun to work with and kind of keep them with that aesthetic. So let's drive around a little bit and show you some of the wares. Let's see what she's got. All right, I gotta show you one thing. Looks old school, but check this out. Woo. Yeah, one of our standard options is a rear view cam, so helps me back up.